What it is, guys, Bhfyp Adventures here. Today I want to show you here. I am in my friend's restaurant, BARBA. Okay guys, well, this time I went to ROJA restaurant with my friend and I wanted to show you guys. I got the flautas with rice and beans. Exquisito. And also I ordered them with guacamole on top. You gotta try that. And then I ordered the quesabirrias. The order is 3 quesabirrias. It's cheese, birria, melted. It's a quesadilla with the birria on it, and it comes with the juice. So freaking delicious. Also, as you can notice, you can celebrate your birthday there. Any special events, you can go there. You call them. I will leave all the information down below, so you can call them and reserve a day or tables for your special events. It has a big menu that you can order, and I believe it has some new stuff in the menu. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but I know. So also Thursdays and Sundays they have karaoke. So in the evening you should go. It's real fun. And Friday and Saturday they got parties. They got live events, live music. It's from Mexico City, but it's worth it. It's nice. Then maybe you see me there selling pictures. Go for it. Take pictures, buy pictures, take a really good memory of that time that you're enjoying. I'll be there.